Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to leave a Discord server without anyone knowing. Now to do that, what you need to do is first open the Discord on your phone device. So when you leave server on Discord, the server will be notified about your leaving. For you to leave without notifying anybody, you will need to do few certain things. That is, first you need to go and change your username. Go on a profile, then there you need to go to the profile. There you need to change your display name. Then tap on save on top right. This will change your display name on the Discord right away. You can see the change in name. Then after, you can change your profile picture as well. I'm just going to change this picture to a different one. I'm going to go upload another picture. Tap on save on the top right. You can see the changes have been made. Now you tap on save on the top right. You can see the profile has been changed as well. Now you need to enable the invisible mode for a day. And there you need to choose the option invisible. Tap on it. This will change your status to the invisible. Now once all the changes have been made, that is changing your username, your profile picture and setting change to invisible for a day, what you need to do is you need to go to the server which you want to leave. You tap upon the server that you want to leave, then tap on the dotted line beside the server name. Tap that. From there you scroll down to the very bottom and you will see the option leave server. You tap that. Are you sure you want to leave OpenAI server? Tap on yes. With this, the server will be removed from your server list. So this is a way how you can leave a server without anyone knowing. Even if the bot announces that you left, no one will know you are because you have changed your username and your profile picture. Hope this information was useful on how you can leave Discord server without knowing anybody. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.